Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about MCQ which are important for the NEET 2021. We are discussing about 15 MCQs in this presentation. Let's start the question. Question number 1 is the wall of a blood capillary is form of the wall of blood capillary is form of endothelial cells, which are the squamous cell. Carbonic anhydrase occur in the RBCs. Blood group AB has no antibody but having antigen A and antigen B present on their surfaces. Question number 4. Bundle of his consists of. Bundle of his is present in the heart. It is present after the atrioventricular node. Their option is right bundle branch, left bundle branch, Purkinje fiber or AV bundle. Answer is A, B and C. Left bundle branch, right bundle branch and AV bundle. And from this bundle of his Purkinje fiber originate towards the right and left ventricle. Bicuspid walls or mitral wall is found between left atrium and left ventricle. It is also called as the atrioventricular wall. Tricuspid wall is present between the right atrium and right ventricle, and it is also called as the atrioventricular wall. Cordia tendinis are found in ventricle of the heart. Cordia tendini is connected to the walls, atrioventricular wall, which prevent the backward flow of the blood from ventricle towards the auricle or atrium. Which of the following produce antibodies? Monocyte, erythrocytes, lymphocyte or thrombocyte? Lymphocytes. Are producing antibody. Lymphocyte is a type of WBCs which are agranular WBCs. Monocyte and lymphocytes are agranular WBCs or leukocyte. Which of the following are called as a scavenger? Scavenger means those who destroy or phagocyte other cells. Monocyte is a scavenger which is agranular. Leukocyte means agranular WBC. Which of the following are called as a scavenger cells? Macrophage. Macrophages are also called as a scavenger. Monocyte at the site of injury or at the site of infection, monocyte converted into macrophage, which is a large body. Blood is a specific connective tissue that consists of fluid matrix, plasma and form element. Color of plasma is straw color. How much percentage of plasma is water? In our blood, plasma contains 90 to 92% of water. How much protein is present in plasma? It is nearly equal to 7% or roughly 6 to 8%. Which protein is required for coagulation? Fibrinogen is important. Coagulation means clotting of blood, which require 2 to 8 minutes. Prothrombin converted into thrombin, and thrombin convert fibrinogen into active fibrin, which is insoluble. That fibrin with other cells to form a clot. Which is correct order in which protein participate in clotting of blood? Thromboplastin, prothrombinase, prothrombin or thrombin. It is the correct answer. Auricular systole is a cardiac cycle last for about. Auricular systole means arterial contraction. In a cardiac cycle, we have discussed that arterial contraction is for 0.1 second or total cardiac cycle is for 0.8 second. Ventricular Systole is for 0.3 second, or ventricular relaxation is for 0.4 second. Covering of heart. Heart is covered by pericardium, which protect the heart. Left atrioventricular aperture is guarded by bicuspid wall, which is atrioventricular wall. How many double circulation are normally completed in a human heart in 1 minute? 72. Our heart average beat 72 in a minute. Duration of cardiac cycle is a normal man is 0.8 second. During systole of heart, artery and ventricular contract separately. During diastole, blood enter to heart. During ventricular systole, the oxygenated blood is pumped into. During ventricular systole means ventricular contraction, aorta and deoxygenated blood in pump into pulmonary artery towards the lung and aorta towards the other body part. To reach the left side of heart, body must pass through lungs. To reach the left side of heart, the blood must pass through lungs. From pulmonary vein, it passes or came towards the heart in left atrium. Right ventricle pump deoxygenated blood into pulmonary arteries which carry blood towards the lung for oxygenation. Circulation in man is pulmonary circulation or systemic circulation. Both is correct. Pulmonary circulation means from right ventricle blood goes to lungs for oxygenation and came to left atria. And systemic circulation means blood passes from left ventricle to the whole body and came to right atria. Deoxygenated blood came to right atria by superior and inferior vena cava. Dash is the most, as we are discussing about right ventricle pump deoxygenated blood into pulmonary arteries, and circulation in human is pulmonary and systemic circulation. Both type is present. Dash is the most common use to feel pulse. Radial artery which is present on the hands, they are common to feel the pulse. Pacemaker of human heart is SA node, sinoatrial node, which is present in a right atrium at upper part of right atrium. Deposition of fatty acid in the lining of artery is called as a atherosclerosis. It is called as atherosclerosis, which may cause myocardial infarction or blockage of the arteries. Purkinje fiber are found in heart. Purkinje fiber, which are responsible for the contraction of ventricles, are present in the heart. Which of the following has the thickest wall? Left ventricle, which require large power to pump the blood to whole body. That's why left ventricle having a thickest wall. Heart of heart is called as a SA node because from SA node the wave of generation of impulse for arterial contraction is generated from SA node, which is a myogenic heart. Sinoatrial node is responsible for the contraction of heart. SA node is located in the upper corner of the right atrium, as we discussed below. Human heart is myogenic, means it is auto regulating the heart beat, means contraction and relaxation is controlled by human heart itself, that's why it is called as a myogenic. Muscle orogenic is called as a myogenic. Which of the following term does not apply to human heart? Human heart having pacemaker, having 4 chambers, having mitral valve, which is also called as a tricuspid valve, which is present in left atrium and left ventricle. That's why answer is neurogenic. Heart is not a neurogenic, it is myogenic. Normal activities of heart are regulated by modified cardiac muscle, that is SA node. Which one of the following blood vessel is not lined by the smooth muscle? Artery, vein and pulmonary artery are lined by the smooth muscle, but capillaries are not lined by smooth muscle because they are very thin. Right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from superior and inferior vena cava. That answer is A and B. The course of blood from right ventricle to left atrium of the heart via lung is called pulmonary circulation. As we discussed before, blood is a special connective tissue that consists of all. Color of plasma is straw color. Percentage of plasma in water is 90 to 92%, and protein present in the plasma is 6 to 8%. Protein is required for coagulation is fibrinogen. The genotype of B group father of an O group child is I0IB. Cell formed in the bone marrow include RBCs and leukocytes. RBCs are also called as erythrocyte and leukocytes are WBCs, which are formed in the red bone marrow of the body of the bone also. The man with the blood group A marry AB blood group woman. Which type of progeny indicate that man is not homozygous? Its answer is B. Blood capillaries are made up of endothelial only. Pulmonary trunk and systemic aorta are connected by ligamentum arteriosum. Friends, these terms, as we mug up these terms for NEET. Arterioventricular node is located in right atrium. Cardiac cycle is completed in 0.8 seconds. Which of the following prevent backward flow of blood? Is valves, bicuspid or tricuspid valve, semilunar valves. Receiving chamber of the heart is auricle, as the deoxygenated blood came from whole body towards the right atrium from superior and inferior vena cava, and left atrium receive oxygenated blood from pulmonary vein through lungs, from which the oxygenated blood came to left auricle. That's why auricle receiving chambers of the heart are called auricles. Thank you guys. This is for today's presentation. Our part 2 is coming as we are discussing other MCQs of heart chapter, human heart. Thank you. Like and subscribe.